Hi everyone, and in this video I will show you that how you can fix Strinova game FPS drop problem or shuttering or the lagging problems. Guys, the first solution is make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager, so open it. Guys, why your game has FPS drop problem? Because there is a lot of processes running on your PC background and you just need to close them all to fix any kind of FPS drop problems. To make a right click on all of these data useless and just end task, then launch the game, then check. Still you have the problem, then just go to the startup application and just disable all the application you are seeing here, because when you start your PC, these applications start automatically and causing your game FPS drop problem. So make a right click on all of these data useless and just disable these, then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Still not launching, then just open up the Steam, then just click on the Strinova game, then just click on the gear icon and go to your game properties and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay and also disable the Discord overlay. Then go to the install files, then click on the browse option you are seeing on the top. And guys, locate your game launcher or exe file of your game, so make a right click on it, go to its properties, go to the compatibility, and here just check this box of administrator and just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. Then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. If you still have the problem like FPS drop or the shutting, then just update your Windows and also make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. After that, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. If you have the NVIDIA graphic card, so open up the NVIDIA control panel and just check for update, and also do same for the AMD. Then restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. And hope these fix your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye.